Introducing Qoramatic, industry's first ever automated stool management kit. Qoramatic uses negative suction pressure to proactively divert fecal effluents away from the patient. Qoramatic has majorly 4 components: the novel indwelling receptacle, 1 odor barrier drainage bag, Matic hub, and a power adapter. In addition to the Qoramatic device, gloves, lubricant, and a distilled water or saline will be required. To hang the Matic hub, loop the device strap around the bedside rail and secure. Ensure that the device is upright. Fill the irrigation fluid chamber of the drainage bag with distilled water or saline up to the indication mark. Mate the bag connector with the Matic hub and rotate it clockwise to secure. Fit the irrigation connector of the drainage bag onto the irrigation port of the Matic hub. Connect the power adapter to the Matic hub and plug it into a power source. Position the patient in left lateral Sims position such that the anal orifice is clearly visible and easily accessible. Hold the receptacle between the thumb and the index finger and fold it twice to create a smaller conical shape. Apply lubricant on the patient's anal opening and the tip of the receptacle. Gently insert the receptacle through the anal orifice until it is past the anal canal and above the anorectal junction. The black indicator on the receptacle in line with the anal orifice indicates correct placement. Connect the distal end of the transit tube to the Matic hub and push down to ensure it is secured adequately. Press the power button to turn on the device. The green LED indicator will start blinking after ensuring the device is adequately placed and connected. Return the patient to their natural position. Static red light indicates that device is plugged and user has to press start button to initiate device operation. Static green light indicates the device is in rest and no user input is required. Blinking green light indicates the device is in operation. Do not replace the bag. Blue light indicates either the irrigation fluid is exhausted or the drainage bag irrigation connector has disengaged from the irrigation port. To disengage the bag, tilt the Matic hub upward to avoid spillage and rotate the drainage bag counterclockwise. Discard the used bag according to institutional protocol. Mate a fresh drainage bag filled with saline and rotate the bag clockwise until locked properly with Matic hub. Blinking red light indicates vacuum error. Magenta light indicates tube block error. Unplug and replug the device. Turn off the device by disconnecting the adapter from the Matic hub and power socket. Position the patient in left lateral Sims position. Slowly retrieve the receptacle from the anal orifice. Discard the device along with the power adapter according to institutional protocol. We urge you to refer to the instructions for use manual for detailed information. Book a demo. Contact us at sales@consuremedical.com or visit our website www.consuremedical.com.